from Karen's English Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and press like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, class, we're going to learn about can. We're going to use can when asking questions and answering questions and sentences. So let's take a look here. So if I do a statement, which is the same as just a regular sentence, okay, we're going to say, I can cook. Okay, so repeat after me. I can cook. He can cook. He can cook. She can cook. She can cook. They can cook. They can cook. Now class, I have my verb cook. I can use any verb I want. I can use run. I can run. I can use walk, jog, okay, work, any sort of action, any verb that I want to use, I can put here. I just chose cook for today. But you can use other verbs too, and it's fine. Okay, so this is a statement or a sentence, just a regular sentence, okay? Now, these are questions. When I make a question or write a question, can is now going to be first, okay? Can is going to be first, number one, okay? Here, it's in the middle, and then the verb. But here, it's going to be first. So let's practice, class. Can you cook? Question. Remember, question mark. Very important when we make a question. We ask a question. Can you cook? Can he cook? Can he cook? Can she cook? Can she cook? Can they cook? Can they cook? Okay. Now, when I'm asking a question and I'm using can, I'm asking for ability. Ability. Are you able to do it? Okay. So when I use can, ability, or are you able? All right. Are you able to do it? So if I ask you, can you paint a house? You can say, yes, I can, or no, I can't. All right? So these are questions. So can you cook? Can you paint? Can you run? Can you exercise? Can you work? Can you run a cash register? So there's many, many, many questions you can ask with can. And this is showing ability and are you able to do it? Can you do it? Can you do something? Okay, now if I answer yes, affirmative, we'll put a little happy face, okay? So we know it's yes. Thumbs up, yes. We like it. Okay? So if I say, can you cook? My answer can be yes, I can. That means yes, I have the ability, okay? I am able to cook. Okay? Can he cook? Yes, he can. Yes, he can. He can cook. Can she cook? Yes, she can. So yes, she's able, she has the ability. Can they cook? Okay, so 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. Can they cook? Question? Yes, they can. They're able to cook. They have the ability. They know how. Now, if I have a negative answer and I'm like, nope, no. Okay, so we'll put a little sad face. Okay, because these are negative. This is no. So if I ask a question, can you cook? I say, no, I can't. No, I can't. Now, I can also say cannot. Cannot and can't is the same. Some people say can't. Some people say, no, I cannot. Okay. Usually can't, I think, is more popular. Okay. So, can he cook? Can he cook? No. No. He can't. No, he cannot. Okay. So, can he cook? No. No, he can't. No, he cannot. All right. Can she cook? Can she cook? No, she can't. Or no, she cannot. Okay, so no, she can't. No, she cannot. All right, can they cook? Can they cook? Question. Can they cook? No. No, they can't. No, they can't. Or no, they cannot. Okay, no, they cannot. They don't have the ability. They cannot. Now, class, we don't have to use a pronoun. We can also use a name. So instead of saying, can he cook, we can say, can Miguel cook? Okay. Can Miguel run? Can Miguel paint? Okay. Can Miguel sing? Can Miguel dance? Okay, so these are all verbs, but now I'm using the name of a person instead of he. And that's fine. That's okay. You can do that. And you can do the same with she. All right? Can Mary cook? All right? If I want to use a lady. Can Mary cook? Can Mary run? Can Mary paint? Can Mary sing? Can Mary dance? That's fine. You can use names, okay? You don't have to just say you, he, she, or they. You can use names of people. That's perfectly fine. And you can change the verb. Here we used the verb cook, but these are verbs also: run, paint, sing, or dance. There's many, many verbs you can use. And if you have a question about something, you're going to use it can first, okay? Then the person or pronoun, and then you're going to use the verb at the end. Now, when I answer, I can say, can Miguel paint? So let's say, can Miguel paint? I need some help painting my kitchen. So, can Miguel paint? So I can say, yes, he can. Or yes, Miguel can. Or I can just say yes. That's fine. Okay, can Mary dance? Can Mary dance? I can say yes, she can, or no, she can't. Okay, so these are fine to use for verbs, any verb. You can use a name, Miguel, Mary, Tom, Jane, Jack, anybody, it doesn't matter, okay? All right, so using can is the ability and are you able to, all right? So can. Statement, also a sentence. Okay, we're probably more familiar with the sentence. Okay. Instead of saying, well, I would be fine. I can cook. But for example, he can cook. Miguel can cook. Michael can cook. George can cook. Tom can cook. Okay? So you can use a name, it's fine. She can cook. Okay, so she, we can also say Mary. Mary can cook. Anna can cook. Okay, Kelly can cook. And they. Now we have two people. So we can say Miguel and Mary can cook. Miguel, Mary, Tom, and Anna can cook. Okay, that's fine. You can use many people. Okay, and instead of just cook, you can say run. Miguel can run. Miguel can paint. Mary can paint. Mary can sing. Mary can dance. Okay, so that's fine. If I make a question, can is going to go first. Okay, so first, can. Okay, can you cook? Can you paint? Can you sing? Can you dance? Okay? So I'm asking you directly. But if I want to know about somebody else, can he cook? Can he paint? Can he sing? Okay. Can she cook? Can she paint? Can she dance? Okay. And can they? Can Miguel and Mary paint? Can Miguel and Mary dance? Can Miguel and Mary sing? Okay? So, questions. Answers, affirmative, yes, yes. Affirmative means yes. I say yes. So, can Miguel cook? Yes, he can. Can Mary run? Yes, she can. Can Mary dance? Yes, she can. Can Miguel and Mary paint? Yes, they can. 2 people. Okay, negative. Negative? Nope, no. They don't have the ability, they don't know how. Okay, so negative. All right? If I say, can Miguel paint? No, he can't. Can Mary sing? No, she can't. Can Miguel and Mary dance? No, they can't. Or, remember, we can use cannot also. Okay, class, we're going to do a practice right now about using can, okay? So I put down some examples of jobs, different jobs that people may or may not have, all right? And we're going to do a practice and we're going to use can. Okay, so remember, class, can is ability and able. Do you have the ability to do it, and are you able to do it? Okay, so let's look at number 1. It says a babysitter or maybe a child care worker. Okay, what can they do? I know they can do a lot of things with children. They're very wonderful. So a babysitter can, okay, so think about it. All right, so let's just think about what they can do. A babysitter can take care of children. Okay, and that means a lot of things. They can feed the children, they can play with the children, they can teach the children. There's many, many things that a child care worker or a babysitter can do. Okay, so that's what they can do. Okay, a painter. Okay, so think about a painter. All right, now think about what a painter can do. Okay, their job is a painter. So what can they do? All right, so a painter can, and they can do lots of things. They can paint houses. Okay, so they can paint houses. They can paint kitchens. They can paint cabinets. They can paint furniture. Okay, they can paint buildings. There's many, many things a painter can do. Okay, but we'll just use this sentence for now. So a painter can paint houses. Okay, now let's think about a carpenter. Okay, a carpenter, the job is they make things with wood. Okay, so wood. All right, so a carpenter can make furniture. A carpenter can make a house. A carpenter can make a table, okay, part of furniture. Okay, so we'll think about that and say a carpenter can, okay, so we'll say build or make furniture. And a carpenter can do many things. They can build bookshelves, entertainment centers, okay? Lots of things with wood in someone's house or maybe in a building. All right, very good. Okay, a teacher. Yay! Okay, a teacher. What can a teacher do? Okay, a teacher can do a lot of things. So the main thing a teacher does is a teacher can teach students. Okay. And there's many different kinds of teachers. English teacher, Spanish teacher, history teacher, math teacher, okay? And not only do the teachers teach, but they help the students, okay? And it's a really great job. So now let's look at number 5. What can an auto mechanic do? What can an auto mechanic do? Okay, an auto mechanic can, think about an auto mechanic. So you're thinking about your car, think about your truck, okay? Maybe a school bus, motorcycle. Well, motorcycle maybe, okay? But an auto mechanic can fix mainly cars. Okay, so mainly fix cars. All right, a mechanic can probably fix the motorcycles, but auto mechanic specific for cars. Very good, class. Okay, let's look at number 6, a gardener. Okay, so gardeners can do lots of things. Okay, they can mow the grass, they can fix the plants, plant plants, fix sprinklers, plumbing around the yard, landscaping, okay? They can make your yard beautiful, okay? So a gardener can, okay, we'll say take care of plants. Okay, but once again, a gardener can do many, many things, okay? They're very important. All right, class, so let's go ahead and practice and we'll review using can, all right? And the question that we can use with these, if you're wondering, okay, we can say, what can, and then we can put the word in here. So we could say, what can a babysitter do? A babysitter can take care of children. Okay. Number 2, what can a painter do? What can a painter do? A painter can paint houses. A painter can paint houses. What can a carpenter? What can a carpenter do? A carpenter can build furniture. A carpenter can build furniture. Okay, what can a teacher do? What can a teacher do? A teacher can teach students. A teacher can teach students. Number 5, what can an, okay, so remember, we have an A here, which is a vowel. So now we have to put an. Okay, an. What can an auto mechanic do? What can an auto mechanic do? An auto mechanic can fix cars. Number 6, okay, number 6. What can a gardener do? What can a gardener do? A gardener can take care of plants. A gardener can take care of plants. Okay, class, excellent job today. You did a great job. I really appreciate you watching my channel. Please subscribe and press like and make sure you're studying your English, everyone. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.